Hi, this tutorial will show you how to add a widget to your Umbraco site to allow you to buy crypto. The agenda for this tutorial then is we'll do a demo of buying crypto using the Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange integration requires that you create your own Binance account and generate a referral link to allow you to get commission rebated on any crypto buys that are done using the widget on your website. You need to apply to be a Binance partner to get the referral link enabled. You then add the Binance crypto widget to your Umbraco site and configure it with your referral details. Finally, we'll take a look at the Umbraco architecture to install the widget and to style it. This is the homepage on my website, and I've added, as well as a store, we have a buy crypto button. So if we select that, it takes us to a page where we have the Binance widget configured. Defaults to GBP and to buying Bitcoin, but you can change your currency and change which token you want to buy. You enter an amount and click buy, and you're taken to the Binance site where you can buy the crypto, and that's it. Okay, let's take a look at the Umbraco architecture for adding the Binance widget to a page. So we've created a page here which has got two sections. This is a generic HTML section which allows me just to paste any snippet of HTML in. This is the actual widget, and this is the configuration for the widget. So things like theme dark, the default is light, default currency GBP, default crypto coin Bitcoin, and your referral link ID. Binance give you a page with the default widget to cut and paste where you need to fill in your own details, which I've shown you there. They also describe all the parameters that you can configure. For instance, the theme is defaulted to light, but you can switch it to dark. Also, when you create your Binance account, you generate your referral link. You'll cut and paste that and configure that into the widget. Once you've configured the widget, you can optionally add styling to style it. I particularly wanted to center this on my page, except when it goes to mobile, just take the full area, and that completes the Umbraco integration for the widget.